One of the things that I love most about the cello is that it can still surprise us. So I'd like you to take your left hand and place it anywhere here on the cello. So just let your hand choose a spot. And this is a surprise note. I'm not normally here on the G string. I'm going to take my bow and see who's there. So we can imagine this note is a character from a fairy tale. And with the bow, we're going to create as many colours as possible. We can play near the bridge. We can play in the middle. We can play near the fingerboard. We can have a heavy bow. We can add vibrato. We can have a fast bow. And with one surprise note, we can tell a whole story. So this is the kind of thing we're going to be talking about in my free class on August 29th. Hope to see you there.